Hi guys, DreamHost offer an excellent value with its hosting plan, particularly the unlimited plan, which stand out for its generous feature. This plan including unlimited website, daily automatic backup, and free domain privacy protection, all of which provide substantial value of user privacy protection, all of which provide substantial value for user. DreamHost 97-day money back guarantee is one of the longest in the industry, reflecting their confidence in their services and commitment to customer satisfaction. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Unlike many competitors, DreamHost does not offer a free domain for the first year, which could add a bit to your initial cost. Additionally, if you option first year, which could add for the starter plan, you will find that it does not, including a professional email address, which is something that more user would expect from a hosting services. Given these factors, the unlimited plan is likely the better choice for most, offering more feature for a relatively small price difference. When it's come to user experience, DreamHost dashboard is designed with simplicity in mind, making it an attractive option for beginner. The tools and features are neatly organized along the left hand side, making without much hassle. The WordPress integration is smooth and effective, but it lacks some of the more advanced features that other hosting providers offer, such as integrated plugin management or easy staging environment. Despite its clean design, the dashboard can sometimes feel sluggish and occasional bugs might disturb the user experience. This can be particularly frustrating for users who are accommodated to faster, more responsive interface, especially during the crucial stage of website setup and management. DreamHost, including the Bold Grid website builder with all a plan, offering user a convenient way to create and manage their website. Bold Grid is a WordPress integrated builder, which means it functions with in the WordPress environment, providing familiar drag and drop functionality and a good selection of modern templates. While this integration allows for a high degree of customization and flexibility, it can also make the builder feel less seamless compared to standalone website builders. Some users have reported that using Bold Grid can slow down their website, which is a significant consideration for those looking to optimize site performance. All through it's a useful tool, particularly for those already comfortable with WordPress. It might not be the best option for users who prefer a more innovative out of the box website building experience. Security is an area where DreamHost excels, offering a range of features that help protect your website and data. The inclusion of free domain privacy protection is a significant benefit. Is at help keep your personal information secure from spammer and other unwanted content. DreamHost also provides free SSL certificates, which are essential for encrypting data and building trust with your site visitor. Additionally, the daily automatic backup, including with all plans, and an extra layer of security, ensuring that you can quickly recover your site in case of data loss or other issue. However, DreamHost custom malware scanning tool Dream might uh, be a downside for users who expect more comprehensive security measure including in their plan. Overall, while DreamHost provides solid security features, there are rooms for improvement, especially in making advanced security tools more accessible without additional fees.